Your pancreas is dying slowly. You cannot feel it. You cannot see it. But every time you eat a heavy meal and feel that crushing fatigue afterward, that is your pancreas begging for help. Margaret was 68. She thought feeling exhausted after lunch was just part of getting old. Her doctor said her numbers were fine, but she knew something was wrong. Then her neighbor, a retired nurse from Greece, told her about a mixture that Mediterranean families have used for generations: cloves and olive oil, not in food. A specific way that targets the organs most doctors ignore. What happened after 14 days made Margaret's doctor ask what she had changed. Her energy came back. Her digestion improved. That heavy feeling after meals disappeared. I am going to show you exactly what Margaret did. But this mixture does more than support your pancreas. It helps with back pain, brain fog, cold feet, and 9 other problems that chase us after 60. Stay with me because number 6 is something most people are too embarrassed to even discuss with their doctor. The first area where this mixture shows incredible promise involves a part of your body that often works in silence until it needs help: your pancreas. Most people only think about blood sugar when they hear the word pancreas, but this vital organ is actually the engine of your digestion and hormone balance. According to recent clinical insights, following a dietary pattern rich in high-quality olive oil can support pancreatic health and may reduce the risk of chronic issues in this area by up to 43%. Imagine that. Just by choosing the right fats, you are providing your pancreas with a protective layer. When you add cloves to the mix, you're introducing a powerful compound called eugenol. This compound acts like a gentle support system, helping to manage the oxidative stress that can make your pancreas feel sluggish as the years go by. Think of it like giving your car's engine a much-needed oil change. When the system is clean, everything runs more smoothly. When your pancreas is supported by the healthy fats in olive oil and the protective nature of cloves, it doesn't have to struggle as much to process your daily meals. This is why many seniors notice they feel less heavy and tired after eating once they start incorporating this support. They aren't dealing with those same energy crashes that used to ruin their afternoons. But before you start, you must understand the correct way to prepare this for your digestion. It's not about taking large amounts. In fact, that is a common mistake. The goal is to provide a consistent, low-level support. You want to look for extra virgin olive oil that comes in a dark glass bottle, as light can damage the healthy compounds. For the cloves, using whole dried cloves that you crush yourself often yields the freshest results. When you prepare this correctly, you are creating a synergy where the oil carries the clove's essence directly to where it is needed. Now, while we are talking about your internal engine, we must address the second concern, which is bloating and general digestive discomfort. This is where Martha's journey really started to change. She used to feel as though her stomach was a heavy, tight balloon after every dinner. This is a very common experience because our natural digestive enzymes can decrease as we move past age 65. The mixture of cloves and olive oil acts as a natural lubricant and a mild stimulant for the digestive tract. Olive oil provides a soothing coating for the lining of the stomach, while the compounds in cloves help support the production of those essential enzymes. But here is the trick Martha learned through trial and error. You don't take it during the meal. Taking a tiny amount about 20 minutes before you eat can prepare your stomach to handle the food more efficiently. If you struggle with that uncomfortable tightness or gas, this simple ritual can help promote a much flatter, more comfortable feeling in your midsection. It encourages food to move through your system at a healthy pace, ensuring that you don't feel stuck for hours after a holiday meal. Let's move to number 3, which is supporting relief for sciatica and lower back discomfort. If you have ever felt that sharp radiating sensation that starts in your lower back and seems to travel all the way down your leg, you know how much it can limit your life. Robert, a retired mail carrier who spent 30 years on his feet, lived with this for a long time. He simply assumed it was a normal part of getting older. However, the secret to using cloves and olive oil for back support isn't just about what you eat. It is about a warm, topical application that helps soothe the area. Cloves contain natural compounds that have a mild numbing effect, and when these are carried by the small absorbent molecules of olive oil, they can reach the tissues surrounding the nerves. Robert started a simple routine. He would gently warm a small amount of the infused oil, never making it hot, just pleasantly warm to the touch, and his wife would massage it into his lower back every evening. He described the feeling as a deep, spreading warmth that finally seemed to reach the source of his discomfort. Within a few days, he noticed he could stand up from his favorite chair with much less effort. This works because the anti-inflammatory properties in olive oil, specifically a compound called oleocanthal, work in a way that is very similar to common over-the-counter comforts, but without being harsh on your stomach or kidneys. By helping to soothe the tissues around the sciatic nerve, the mixture promotes a sense of ease and flexibility. When you are dealing with sciatica, the preparation is key. You want to make sure the oil is thin enough to be absorbed. If you find your skin feels too greasy, you might be using too much oil and not enough massage. The magic happens during the 5 minutes of gentle rubbing, which helps the oil penetrate and also increases local blood flow. Now, while this mixture is helping your back and your digestion, it is also doing something quite remarkable for your mental clarity. Number 4 on our list is brain fog and memory support. This is a topic that sits heavy on the minds of many seniors. We all worry when we forget a name or struggle to remember why we walked into a room. Scientific research into the Mediterranean lifestyle has shown that the polyphenols found in extra virgin olive oil are like a cleaning crew for your brain cells. These healthy fats help support the body's natural process of clearing out certain proteins, such as amyloid beta, which researchers have linked to memory challenges as we age. Cloves add another layer of support by encouraging healthy blood flow to the brain. When Martha started her daily routine, she didn't become a memory expert overnight, but she did feel as though the mental fog was starting to clear. She felt more with it during her morning conversations and found it easier to focus on her reading. It's a bit like clearing the smudges off a pair of glasses. You can see better and everything feels a little more focused. This isn't about a magic cure. It's about giving your brain the healthy fats and antioxidants it needs to maintain its flexibility. Your brain is a very hungry organ, and it thrives on the high-quality fuel found in this mixture. As we clear the mind, we also need to address how we feel the moment we wake up. This brings us to number 5, morning stiffness and joint comfort. Have you ever spent the first 15 minutes of your day just trying to get your legs to move properly? That feeling of your joints being rusty is something millions of seniors face. Think of olive oil as the high-quality lubricant for your body's hinges. It provides the essential fats your body uses to maintain synovial fluid, which is the natural liquid that keeps your joints moving smoothly without that grinding sensation. Cloves act as a gentle heat source from the inside out. They help promote healthy circulation, which brings warmth and nutrients to those stiff areas. One common mistake many people make is only using this mixture when the pain is at its worst. But the real benefit comes from consistency. It is about pre-oiling the joints. When you make this a daily part of your life, you are constantly supporting that lubrication process. By the time you reach the end of the first week, you might find that you're rolling out of bed with a bit more spring in your step. You might notice that your fingers feel more nimble when you're buttoning your shirt or opening a jar. It's a subtle change that makes a big difference in your quality of life. Now let's move to number 6, which is the secret we mentioned earlier, supporting your gut health and immune strength. This is a topic that many people find a bit uncomfortable, but it is incredibly important for anyone over 60. Over the years, our digestive systems can play host to unwanted guests or imbalances that we don't even realize are there. Cloves are famous in traditional wellness for their ability to help maintain a balanced environment in the gut. They contain compounds that are very unwelcoming to harmful organisms. By using a very small, carefully diluted amount of this mixture, you are essentially giving your internal system a gentle spring cleaning. When your gut environment is balanced and healthy, your immune system doesn't have to spend all its energy fighting internal battles. This allows your natural defenses to stay strong and ready for external challenges. This is often why people who use this mixture say they feel more resilient throughout the winter months. They feel as though their body has a stronger shield against the common bugs that tend to circulate in the community. While we are strengthening your internal shield, we must also look at how this mixture supports your breathing. Number 7 is respiratory comfort and soothing that persistent, dry cough. Many seniors find themselves struggling with a scratchy throat or a lingering cough, especially when the air gets cold or dry. Cloves act as a natural way to help clear the airways, while olive oil provides a silky, coating sensation that can soothe irritated tissues in the throat. Let me tell you about Sarah. She was 82 and had a dry, tickling cough that made it very hard for her to get a good night's sleep. She found that the traditional syrups often made her feel a bit fuzzed in the head the next morning. She decided to try a very gentle approach. She would breathe in the warm, spicy aroma of cloves and take a tiny half-teaspoon of the olive oil mixture before lying down. Within just a couple of nights, she felt a significant difference. The oil helped to coat the back of her throat, reducing that tickle that usually triggered a coughing fit. It allowed her to rest deeply, and as we all know, sleep is when the body does its best healing work. If you try this, remember that the goal is comfort. You want to feel that soothing layer helping your breath feel easier and more relaxed. Moving forward to number 8, we have blood sugar support. This is a major topic for almost everyone over the age of 60. Managing your levels isn't just about what you cut out of your diet. It's also about what you add in. Cloves have been studied for their ability to help the body's cells respond more effectively to insulin. When your cells are listening to insulin properly, your body can manage sugar more efficiently. Olive oil supports this by slowing down how quickly your body absorbs carbohydrates from your meals. It acts like a speed limit, ensuring that sugar doesn't rush into your bloodstream all at once. This dual-action approach, where one ingredient supports the process and the other manages the speed, is a powerful natural strategy. You might notice that your energy levels feel more level throughout the day. Instead of that big spike and then a crashing slump after lunch, you might find you have a steady stream of energy that lasts until dinner. Again, this is a way to support your body's natural systems, working alongside the advice of your healthcare professional to keep your levels in a healthy range. While this provides balance on the inside, let's look at a very common issue on the outside. Number 9 is supporting skin health and managing minor fungal irritations. As we get older, our skin can become a bit like crepe paper, thinner and more easily irritated. This is especially true on our feet or in areas where moisture can get trapped. Cloves are one of the strongest natural ways to manage these irritations. If you have itchy patches or skin that looks red and stressed, a properly diluted mixture of clove oil and olive oil can be very restorative. The olive oil helps to repair the skin's moisture barrier, which often becomes weak as we age, while the cloves help to keep the skin clear of unwanted microbes. A very important warning here: never use pure clove essential oil directly on your skin. It is far too strong and can cause a stinging sensation. You must always use olive oil as the carrier to make it safe and gentle. When mixed correctly, it should feel like a calming, protective balm that helps your skin feel stronger and more resilient. This leads us to number 10, a problem that often keeps people from falling asleep: poor circulation and cold feet. Have you ever been unable to sleep because your feet felt like 2 blocks of ice, no matter how many blankets you used? This often happens because the tiny blood vessels in our hands and feet become less flexible as we age. The blood has a harder time reaching the very ends of our limbs. This mixture, when used as a foot massage, can support healthy blood flow. Cloves have a natural warming effect that encourages the blood vessels to open up, a process sometimes called vasodilation. Martha found that a 5-minute foot rub with this warm oil before bed was more effective than any pair of heavy wool socks. When your feet are warm, your entire nervous system receives a signal that it is okay to relax and go to sleep. It's a beautiful, simple ritual that promotes better rest and helps you feel more connected and warm throughout your body. Finally, we reach number 11, which is a very common but often embarrassing issue: supporting the health of your toenails. Many seniors notice their nails becoming thick, discolored, or brittle over time. This is often a sign of a deep-seated fungal issue that is very hard to reach with standard creams. Cloves and olive oil offer a unique advantage because the oil can penetrate into the nail bed more effectively than many water-based treatments. It does require patience. You won't see a brand new nail tomorrow. But by consistently applying a drop of this mixture to the nail every day, you are creating an environment where healthy, clear nail growth can begin to return. It's a slow process, but for many it is a way to finally feel comfortable wearing sandals again or walking barefoot in the house. It is a perfect example of how the simplest tools can help us maintain our dignity and our health as we age. To use this mixture safely, the most important rule is to start slowly. Your body appreciates a gentle introduction. For topical use on your back or feet, you can mix about 5 to 10 drops of clove essential oil into 2 or 3 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. If you prefer to make your own infusion at home, you can place a tablespoon of whole cloves into a small jar of olive oil and let it sit in a dark cupboard for about 2 weeks. This creates a very gentle, aromatic oil that is perfect for daily use. For any internal support, always speak with your doctor first, especially if you are taking medications for blood pressure or blood thinning. Most people find that even just the aroma of the oil or a single drop used in cooking is enough to provide a sense of well-being. The goal isn't to take a dose, but to incorporate these healthy ingredients into your lifestyle in a way that feels natural and sustainable. If you found these insights helpful, please consider sharing this with a friend or a family member who might be looking for gentle, natural ways to support their health. Aging is a journey we all share, and sometimes the best secrets are the ones that have been in our kitchens all along. You deserve to feel comfortable, clear-headed, and strong every single day.